Hello friends, in this video we'll be learning about how to find out the maxima and minima shortcut for a given cubic function. As we all know, the general cubic function will look like that, or the general cubic equation will be like this: ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. And how to find the root is with this formula: minus b plus or minus under root of b squared minus 3ac by 3a, which is quite similar to what we find generally with the quadratic formula, where we have over there is b square minus 4ac by 2a. And since we are working out the shortcut for maxima and minima, we all know the coefficients of the decreasing powers of x, a, b, c, d, in a sequential manner. Then just plug in this formula and work it out, what it's giving us, the maxima and minima. So negative 6, I'm working out with the root now. So it will give me positive 6 plus or minus under root of 6 squared, that is 36 minus 3 times. A is 1 and c is this one. So I'll put 9 divided by what is there, 3 times a, that is 3. So upon solving, I'll get root of 9 over 3, which makes it 6 plus 3 over 3, or 6 minus 3 over 3. So the answer and the roots I'm going to get for x is 1 and 3. But then how can I make among these two values, okay, which one is maxima and which one is minima? Remember, the trick is the lowest value would be your maxima and the larger value will be your minima. And how to do that, as we have already learned for the derivative, okay, when we are doing the derivative test, first derivative and the second derivative, we have learned that if it is lesser, it's going to be maxima. If it is greater than 0, it's going to be the minima. So for that, again, I'm going to give you this one, 3ax plus b. Just substitute the a and b and the corresponding roots that you got just to check and verify. So 3 times a, as it is 1, so it is going to be 3x, and b is negative, that is 6. What roots that you got? 1 and 3. Substituted. 3 times 1 minus 6 is negative 3, and definitely it is less than 0. That is the reason I said that the lowest value will be your maxima. And now you check it for by keeping positive, that is 3 times 3. 9 minus 6 is going to give you a positive number greater than 0. That's why it is minima. Isn't it simple and great? Let us just look at another set of questions that we have to further corroborate our shortcut proof. Let us take another example that we have. A, B, C, D I have written already. A is 2, B is C, just plug in this formula. So negative 21 makes it positive, plus or minus 21 square is 441, minus 3 times A is 2, C is 36, whole divided by 3 times A, that is going to be 6. Now 21 upon further simplification, you will find it 441 minus 6. 6 into 36 will give me 216 over 6, which will give further simplification root 225 upon 6, and root 225 is nothing but the square root of 15. Now upon solving it further, I'm going to get 36 over 6 or 6 over 6. It means my roots for this cubic polynomial or the cubic function is 6 and 1. As I have given you the clue, 3ax plus b. Now just check it. A is 2, so it's going to be 6x, and my b is negative, so it is negative 21. So now as you got the root as 6 and 1, just check further. If I write it 1, 6 1 is 6 minus 21, definitely my answer is negative. So that is why 1 is my maxima for this question. And you check now with the positive 6, 6 is a 36, which is greater than 21. So definitely 6 is my minima. So this is the super trick that any students can do it for their competitive exams, to work out and solve the questions within no time. So as far as this question is concerned, you can do it in a similar way. Let us take one more case wherein we have a cubic polynomial in this order. Okay, now here A, B, C and D, we have the values corresponding where all will be 1. Let us just work out with the solution of it. Under root b square minus 4ac, that is 1, okay, and b square is 1 minus 3 into 1. Now here we need just can make here only the students can make it understand that it is not real. It is going to give you I, that is iota. So it means for this particular polynomial cubic function, there is no maximum, there is no minimum. Isn't it great? Because we are getting a complex root. There is no real root to it. So there is no maxima and there is no minimum. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe.